Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to do a ponytail. I just feel like doing a ponytail right now, friend. And I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest. I've done it before, but what I'm thinking about in my head, I ain't done it before, but I don't know how this is about to turn out, so we're gonna have to see. But I did just wash my hair. I just shampooed it and deep conditioned it. I haven't added a leave-in or anything, but this is a lazy girl hairstyle for sure because I just don't feel like doing my hair. So yeah, my hair is already clean, and I did just like twist my hair up into like a bun, and then I put it here. So I want to draw some of the water out so it doesn't take a super long time to dry, but it's gonna take long to dry. But we're not gonna wait till it dry to put this ponytail in because I wanted to do it on wet hair just so I can easily manage it. And actually, let me go get some gloves, girl, because look at my nails, friend. You see that? So they're gonna be snagging stuff. I had to I took off my S&S, cut my nails, because your girl can't go to the nail salon. So I'm looking real basic, okay? I'm looking real basic. So I need to go get my gloves because it's snagging a little bit. All right, friend, I got my gloves on. It's about to look like a whole surgery up in here. Sorry if these blue gloves bother you, but my hair is not about to snag. Okay, so this is my hair all like, you know, clean and stuff. Take this out. And I want to keep, let me keep this on. Let me keep that on there. Let me keep that on there because it's already in a high puff, low key. So, actually, give me one of these hair ties. This is not a tutorial. Okay. So now I want to put some moisture in my hair. So I'm going to be using the Mizani leave-in conditioner. I don't want to put too much. Like I said, I need this to be lightweight. So using a spray leave-in just might be your best bet. And I'm literally just going to spray it because I haven't put any leave-ins on. Oh, it smells so good. All right. Now that you got that, now I'm gonna go in with this this Lil Wajid Curl Elixir. I normally go in with the TGIN, but I want to go in with this one because it kind of gives me kind of that same consistency where it's like thick, but it has like a silkiness to it, you know. That's what I go for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that. Like a little perm, girl. So just gonna smooth that up. I'm just gonna go in with the Style Factor gel. This the pineapple scent. Told you I'm trying to get done with this quick, girl. I'm not. Think I'm trying to be here all day because I'm not. Actually, I'm probably not gonna put that much gel because it's just literally I'm just seeing. I don't think I'm gonna put that much gel, y'all, because I don't think it needs it. Because my hair is super moisturized, I might not need much. So now I do want to take out my edges. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna just brush the rest of my hair, and I want to do it with a harder bristle brush. That was a soft bristle. I went ahead and got my hard bristle brush so it can really get up in there and smooth that hair out. You see that? My hair is super wet though. Remember that. It's that quick. I don't want to do my hair ponytail. Think about that song every time too. I don't want to do my hair ponytail. That's what this is. Okay. Now put a little gel down when you got it nice and smooth like that, friend. Go ahead and put a little gel. A little gel ain't hurt nobody. Shoot. A little gel ain't hurt nobody. Do I want my ponytail to be high or do I want it to be like, kind of want it to be like, you know. Okay. Cool, friend, cool. So, what I'm going to do is add my snappies. That I feel like they're going to be perfect for this because now I can tighten it as tight as I want but not have it super tight. I'll go ahead and take all the hair up like that. Okay, then take your snappy Go around. You actually have to make sure you put it in your finger or else, friend, okay? And then just make sure you take it around and around as tight as you want it to be, where you want it to be, and just keep wrapping it. Keep wrapping it. I feel like this is tight enough. And then snap it. I used to be like, oh my god, I hate them things, but girl, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm taking out this clip that I had in there, and I just put that little hair tie in there, but there we go. Woo! All set. Woo! 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 Back is up, back is up, back is up, back is up, running and running there. I'll take my from you. Tell my dog. Woo! Beat the walls loose. Sorry, got a little out of control. Alright, so now I have a nice tight ponytail. Y'all, I'm doing this so quick for y'all. I ain't even brushed the back for real, but y'all get the point. Brush the back. Brush the back. So now you want to just take this hair, and my hair is thick, y'all, so we're gonna take 2 pieces first, cause you gotta make a way out of no way. And then I'm gonna do 2 twists instead of just 1, cause my hair is just too thick. Doodle brown, doodle brown, doodle brown. I low-key might not even make edits to this video. That is how quick this ponytail is, like for real. Then twist them together. Twist it together and make a tight bun. Bun. Okay, so let's just leave that. Just leave that how it is. Okay, just leave it how it is. So I got this ponytail, friend. Okay, this is all I found in my closet. I forgot. I got rid of a lot of my weaves and stuff, so I don't have any wefted hair, and I can't go to the beauty supply store because they ain't open, friend. So I gotta make it do what it do, baby. So a girl gonna make it do something with this. I know it might look a little bad right now, but I'm trying to see what I could do. It's a ponytail though. So let me see what brand this is by. I've used this in another video, but it was like a low pony. This probably gonna look ugly as a high pony anyway. I might have to find some more hair, but like I said, this is a trial and error video. This is a model, and this is what it looks like. It's just a textured ponytail. And let's see how this look first before I go talking about I'm gonna put this on my head, girl. It could shake. I don't know yet. I don't know yet, friend. So you do have to put a bun because it's not gonna hold a ponytail. Alright, so just twist it. And then twist it around. Keep the end piece and bobby pin that down. This just might be the most ratchet hair tutorial I ever did in my life. Y'all start looking at me like, girl, get it together. This is what happened when you come to the video and you really ain't planned it out. And you want to do something for your friends. And you know they gonna tell you to film the video because they seen the ending result and they want to see. They just want to see. So I was like, let me just turn on the camera so they can see it. You know, that's what I had said to myself. And you know, that's what I'm doing. So don't get mad at me because it ain't a good tutorial. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, it got some combs in it. 2 combs on the sides. And then a drawstring. So we got the 2 combs right here, friend. On this side and this side. Then you got the drawstring that'll just suck you on up, girl. So that's what we got to do. Let me see. And it got a little net in here. So let's see. Let's see, friend. Alright. So go ahead and get that on there and put these combs on the side of the ponytail. Wait, nope. And there. Oh damn, it ain't even covering the bun. Oh shit. lip combs ain't doing shit. Girl. Okay, wait. Ow. This is how I really be, y'all. I promise you. When I just be like by myself doing my hair. I be talking to myself like this. Hope you do the same. Cause I sure be telling my hair, what you doing? What you doing? Ooh, ow, ow, ow. Okay, wait. Did I do it? Nope. You basically got to get this little bun thing all over your bun. This little opening for the bun over your bun so your bun's not sticking out. This ponytail looks so ghetto. Why did I do this? New ponytail, please. What the French? Why is shit sitting up like this? Oh Lord, this is cracking me up. Oh child, the hair falling out. Oh my God. See, this what we not finna do. Okay. Oh wait, it ain't that bad from the side. It ain't that bad from the side. Mind you, I ain't did my edges yet. It ain't bad, friend. I'm kind of cute. Like if I can get this hair together, we'll be cute. Okay, but wait. Yes, bitch. Give me. Let's do it. So we gotta do these edges. Okay. Edges time. So now we're gonna be using Lovely Bees because I use this all the time and you guys already know now. So there's that. So we're doing edge art, sis. Okay. So, not real edge art. Like I'm not finna, you know, do no curls and stuff. So don't get that excited. But we doing something a little more than nothing. We doing something a little more than nothing. All right. So we want to go ahead and mesh that down like that. And then swoop. Swoop that because that ain't real for me. So just like that, friend. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my edges because there's no mirror right here. And I just want to make sure it's really crisp. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Okay, so this is where I am so far. And the hair just keeps shedding everywhere. Like I have this much shed hair. So, girl, I don't know. So I'm like, let me try to moisturize it. So I'm about to put some of the Mazzani hair milk. I don't want to waste it, but I just want to see how this hair reacts to a little something. This plastic ponytail. Alright. Y'all see that? Ugh. Oh, that hair coming out. See, it keep doing it. Keep going like, whoo. I'm like, one of they go, whoo. I'm just playing. Golly, what is this? Little cheap ponytail. Girl. It does help me break it up to get that hair out. Cause it's tangled up here. Ooh, ponytail don't come out on camera now. Whoa, disrespectful. Wow. Whew. Let's see here. Okay. Girl, the way I just moved this ponytail. Alright. So now I'm going to take some of this hair because it's too much. Let's take some of this on this side so that I can wrap it around. For a nice polished look. Oh, Lord. Okay. So this is it. So now It's time to slay the pony. This was quick though. Not gonna lie. This about the ugliest ponytail I done seen in a minute.